Hello, my name is Andrew Gilgen. I'm the founder of Yulo, a personal care company looking to make refreshing changes in oral care. Oral care is something that everyone should do every day, and it is an essential part of our overall health and wellness. For me personally, oral care is deeper than just fresh breath and clean teeth. I have an autoimmune disorder where it can be triggered by poor oral hygiene, so I know firsthand that our oral health has a direct impact on our overall health and wellness. Unfortunately, a lot of people struggle with consistent oral care, and I believe this is because the products we use are disconnected. What I mean by that is our toothbrush and our floss are completely separate products, so when we use one, we don't automatically associate that use with the other. This lack of innovation is causing people to be accustomed to their bad habits. Not to mention is contributing to over 50 million tons of plastic waste every year. Yulo Care is a family of sustainable oral care products that are designed to be used together and enable people to build great habits. Yulo Care starts with the Oral Care Essentials Kit. The kit features a brushing, flossing, and tongue scraper attachment that seamlessly adapt to allow people to build a better and consistent routine. This product reduces plastic waste by 80%. After surveying over 360 people, it's clear that people know they can improve their routine. In fact, over 81% of people said, "We feel like we can improve our oral care routines." I got plenty of responses like, "Yes, I wish I could floss more. Yes, I wish I was brushing more." No one said, "Well, I just don't see the benefits of flossing or brushing. I'm just not going to do it." I've spoken with Rachel Kearney, who is the Department Chair of Dental Hygiene over at the College of Dentistry. She absolutely loved the product and has offered to help pilot this product with patients at their clinic and also design trials to get some data supporting this product. Right now we have over 150 people who have expressed interest in this product. However, we anticipate that number increasing in the next several weeks as we ramp up marketing for our Kickstarter campaign. Now, the global oral care markets are huge. Like I mentioned, this is something everyone should do every day. However, the target market for this product specifically is health-conscious millennials. Health-conscious millennials value sustainable brands and care about the products they buy. Not to mention, they also have the disposable income to support these products. 72% of millennials said that they would spend more for a sustainable product. Not to mention, millennials are very comfortable purchasing off of social media, which is critical to our customer acquisition strategy. Now, there are a lot of great companies doing a lot of great things in oral care, but where they fail to innovate is by offering both dynamic and sustainable products. This product right here offers 3 cleaning methods while also reducing plastic waste by 80%. This allows Yulo to differentiate from its competitors and fill this gap in the market. Now, how does Yulo make money? Well, Yulo makes money in 2 ways. One is the Dollar Shave Club for Oral Care model. Essentially, consumers will purchase this product once, which we anticipate will retail at $38, and then we will ship them their refill of the floss clips, their brush heads, the toothpaste, and the mouthwash drops. Another opportunity is a retail opportunity for the toothpaste chewable specifically. I feel like the toothpaste shelves have looked the exact same for the last 60 years, and this is the perfect product to put there because it is affordable, consumable, and usable by everyone. Now, a lot of work has been done to get to this point, but this is only the beginning. In addition to the President's Buckeye Accelerator, we plan on raising $50,000 to $100,000 with a Kickstarter this spring. This summer, we plan on introducing this product and gaining some proof of concept with the patients at the dental clinic here at OSU. Pending a successful Kickstarter campaign, we already have our supplier lined up to begin manufacturing the product, which we anticipate can roll out as early as this fall. Now, I wouldn't be able to make as much progress without the help of this all-star team. Lucas and Alex are my partners at Product Refinery, and they've helped tremendously with this product development and are currently assisting with launching the Kickstarter campaign. They've also contracted with Roman Beauty, who will be our manufacturing supplier. Chase Snowden is an e-commerce wizard. He's done over $6 million in revenue these past 2 years. Of course, this is a dental product, so Rachel Kearney is the Department Chair for Dental Hygiene, and she will be helping us with the introduction of this product at the dental clinic. Of course, this is a digitally marketed product, and Danielle has experience with that marketing. I believe there is a real opportunity to build a sustainable oral care brand in these markets. The lack of innovation is causing problems, and right now people care about the products they buy and improving their health and wellness. With a practical business model, sustainable values, health and wellness benefits, the right team to make it happen, and support from the President's Buckeye Accelerator, Yulo Care will help transform the oral care industry by enabling people to build great habits while also helping the environment. If you would like to learn more about Yulo Care, follow us on social media and sign up at yulocare.com to be ready when Kickstarter launches. Thank you.